I'm going to show you how to install a wall-mounted vanity unit, sink and taps. Start by finding the location where you're going to be putting it on the wall around your pipes. Mark up for the brackets. Check that there's no pipes or wires behind the tiles before you start drilling holes in them. Then plug and screw your brackets into position, checking that they're level. Place your carcass in position and tighten this up. Then you can start to assemble the waste outlet for the plug. Once this is in position and tightened up, you can fit the bottle trap. Then you can fit the taps. Place the tap connectors through the sink. These will need connecting at the bottom with a tap wrench or a socket set. Place the sink into position, then the hot and cold water can be connected. Once this is done, seal the back of it with a line of silicone sealant. Refit your drawers and then you're complete. If you want to see the full step-by-step video, visit the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.